Hello guys, welcome to CDJ Forkan Design YouTube channel. I am a professional graphics designer. Today I would like to show you how to unboxing and set up HP Smart Tank 515. So let's see. You are watching HP Smart Tank wireless all-in-one. This is the wireless printer. You can print, scan and photocopy. I will rotate. You are watching cyan, magenta, the yellow color and the black and white. This printer has a 3 years guarantee. You can print by your smart mobile. At first, I will remove the cost strap. This cable is used to connect the printer to the computer. 1 meter the cables, okay. I will put here. This is the black and white ink. There is 3 pieces more, and there is cyan, magenta, yellow ink. You can find 3 pieces more here, CMYK. Now all 6 pieces ink bottle I keep here, and there is this cable is for turn on the printer. I will take this. I want to remove this covers. There is another also cable for turn on printer. This is the print head. There is another also. There is 2 pieces print head. I have to remove this one. This is the book for the how to maintain your printer machine. See the default system. I keep here because I want after. I need after. There is, I have to take off this. I will rotate. Keep like this and just like this, okay. There is nothing you are watching. Let's I will keep here, no need now. Move it this one also. This is the original. Repack the printer the way it was original packet. Remove all the cost tape from the printer machine. Just like this. Rotate. There is more. You are watching here. There is 2 power cord and open front door. I have to remove this one also. Then there is, you will see the more cost step I have to remove, and I will take this one also. Close the door now. See, there is default settings. Don't keep like this. Keep printer upright and level to prevent ink leakage. Now up straight you will keep, okay. Just I have to see the which one the power cable. I have to put it inside. Just a minute. This is the power cable, okay. just this one, put it like this. Now I will connect with electric like this, make on and turn on the printer machine here. Now is the mode for turn on. Okay, just a minute. There is, you will see signal for fill ink CMYK color. Okay, so I have to fill ink. Where is my CMYK? This this is the black and white, and this is the CMYK color. Okay, this is the CMYK. Now I will put it inside all. There is 6 pieces. Okay, open the front door, and the first day I will ink same color. Open this. You have to open like this. Then you will see that there is a sticker. Remove like this. Okay, awesome. Oh shit. This ink will not come out unless you are giving to the printer. Okay, don't worry. You have to, if you keep here, then will come the color. Just keep here. Then I will fill ink the magenta. Just I open it. You will see that there is finish. Then remove smoothly and close this one. This one C. Okay, then I will open the magenta. Okay, this is the M. Put it here. Okay, no need, it's okay, no problem. Open it like this, same before. Okay, open like this and remove the sticker from the ink. Keep here. Will not come. Wow, just keep here. Wait for the full fill ink. This is the yellow ink. Okay, remove this one, take, close, and close all ink tank. Then I have to fill the black and white, put it inside. There is looking to print head. I have to do like this. There is two print head. I have to put it inside. Firstly I will open, remove the new print head from the packet. Another also same I will do. Just I'm doing this one and remove this one and this one also. Okay, open this door and you will see that there is the black print head and color print head. Okay, manually move it to fair center. turn orange handle to the right side like this, okay, and press down on the print head to release it like this. Remove and discard orange plastic. Place handle careful to avoid, okay, from ink tank. Handle carefully to remove this, okay. This one no need more. Then you are looking here, you will see here black or tricolor print head default here. I have to adjust the print head here, okay. Two pieces here. I will put it now. Just remove this one for here, okay. Just remove this. And remove these stickers also, okay. Just like this, but don't touch here, be careful, okay. Now I will put it inside. This is the three color print head, okay. Just connect like this. You can do this so easy way, nothing there is, you can do it like this, so easy way. Just I will take another one also. I will remove this and the stickers also. Then I will put it inside like this, so easy way. Finish. Install print heads, finish. Now close blue lights and doors. Close this one and close, and close this door also. There is finish, and you will not see there is the signal for the CMYK color. We are put it all CMYK color, okay. Just I will show you how to print and copy. I have to open this, the door. I will put here A4 size papers. Just opening. Put it papers here. Open this properly. Just like this. Press the copy button. We are looking. The copy is coming. I have to open this. This one also open. Look, is coming. See, we are successful, okay. Awesome. And I have to do copy, okay. I will do copy this one. I take this. There is, you will see like this, okay. You have to remember about this. Just close this one. Make print, color print. We are watching already, this print paper is coming. See, we are success the print also. We are install all everything. Thanks for watching the video. We will see next tutorial how to install the HP software and how to connect printer with your computer laptop. And please subscribe to my channel. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.